Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volvo XC40 2.0 B4 MHEV Ultimate DCT. Now this vehicle is a petrol with a hybrid transmission, is shoeless compliant and is finished in silver dawn metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with the two-tone finish really complementing the silver dawn metallic exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring that any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid. Once open, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the charcoal connect textile microtech upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and then once you've done this, you are able to save it as it is a memory seat as well. You also have the Harman & Kardon sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey that you may take. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have buttons for your information panel, and of course you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 14,526 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything that you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Apple Carplay and Android Auto supported via USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or just listen to your own music. Along with a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, and as well as this you also have front heated seats. This has been a presentation on a Volvo XC40 2.0 B4 MHEV Ultimate DCT that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.